What up, Steve? Man, I am right here to pass this fucking account. Oh, I don't need much more to pass. Come on, baby. Come on. I'm up. I'm up a lot of places. Trump's gonna start doing the tariffs on China shit again. You want it? I mean, you want to see it hold this previous week low. You want to see it hold 634. That's where you want to stay above. I am done in Bulenox. I'm up. I'm out. I'm just freeing up some brazier space. Man, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look great. Oh, I need another $300. Man, I'm just looking at some of this shit. Oh, they got me. I'm at break even though, so whatever. I'm at break even. I'm trying so hard to pass it. What up, Mick? Dillis, it happens, man. Like, you're gonna blow accounts. My Friday was very good, Matt. I had a very good Friday. Yeah. Yep, I had a good Friday. It was really good. Oh man, that coffee is so good. It just hits that spot. Hits the C spot, the coffee spot. Oh, now we're gonna go. Oh, you. I will not get yo-yoed though. How's everybody else's day going? I will say I feel like I did really well today. You know what I have? I didn't even realize I had it, actually. I think I have a my funded futures account I completely forgot about on Volumetrica. So I completely forgot about this. I'm up 5K across funders. That's a solid day, Matt. It's a solid day. Yeah, I got stopped out a couple times and had to get back in. It's one of those days. It's just one of those days. But shit, it's one of those days. China. That's what it sounds like. China. Not gonna lie, this is one of those days that you want to take profit trader account or a trade day account like the fundeds or my funded futures. There's no consistency rule. So like if you got in, you can just kind of ride it. Just kind of ride it to the end. Would you say you're getting cream pied, Ali? Wait, good. Throwing pies on faces with the market and getting pied on my face. Getting yo-yoed. I could say I've gotten yo-yoed. I most definitely have not gotten pied on my face. As long as you hold above 635, I think you're going to go up. How's that sound? That's last week's high. But I will say, I think we gapped down big on Monday. I think there's a major gap down on Monday. Does it get bought up? I don't know. But I think we're going to dump on Monday. I think we're in for a serious dump. You have a nice little inversion right here. Man, I'd be targeting like, dude, you're going to target like 23,293. Bro, I hope this thing dumps. I hope it's like April and all of a sudden we're down at 19,000 again. Dude, that would be fucking amazing. I don't think it's going to happen. But look, last time we dumped with China bullshit, bro, the market dumped like 30%. That'd bring us all the way down here. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look good. It definitely does not look good. I just think there's going to be a massive is that a fucking order? What? I don't even know what that fucking was. I don't even know what that was. What the fuck was that? I don't even know what that was. Yo, what up, Sean? How's Tick Tick Trader? I can't even. They can't even KYC correctly, so I'm out. Dude, yo, what is MOC gonna be like today? Where's all my MOC guys? Bro, MOC might be fucking 80 points. I'm going to play MOC today, by the way. We're back. We're so back, boys. I hope so. I'm trying to pass this account is what I'm trying to do. Tell your friends, tell grandma, tell everybody we're back. Oh my God. I'm just getting my phone. I got to charge my phone up. Bro, today was awesome. Yo, if every day could be like this, I would be sailing with Bill Gates. Yo, me and Bezos would be hanging out. I blew some evals, which is not a big deal, obviously. But my funded accounts are up, and away. Dude, I don't even tell my wife. My wife would have a heart attack if she knew how much money I played with. Yo, what up, TJ? Chris Bova. As long as you keep holding 635, you go under 635, it's over. We go into 635, it's fucking done. Yeah, I haven't gotten a chance to. I'll take a look right now, though. Why I sit and wait and see what happens. Try to scalp some shit while I'm at it. You know what it is? Obviously, that's not my main email address. So I'm not in there all the time. What was the cause of the dip? Trump talking about tariffs. Let me get to some people here actually. 73. 15. We're gonna Trump versus China. Yeah, you ain't kidding. I mean, it's getting a little absurd. Absurd. It's gonna be, dude. You might have a crazy fucking weekend. I'm so glad I sold out of some. Just randomly, I sold some of my shit this morning, and then it just so happens that we dumped. And then when we dumped, I sold my shit. Don't get me wrong. I definitely lost money today. I lost about $3,000 today, but that's not bad at all. How the week went. That's like nothing. I would gladly throw that in there. Yeah, probably. Hello, Double O. If he talks, he's going to talk some wild shit, probably. I'm just making sure everyone's got it. Damn. Of course, you got to be on Zelle. You got to be on Zelle, man. Got to go in my account now. But this is what I'm saying is like when you're riding this wave of just every day making money and money and money, you got to know at some point you're going to get caught at the end and you got to be okay with the loss. But you have to keep the loss small. Like, dude, like you got to keep the loss small and that's it. You know, and then make sure you get out, that you're not like buying more and you're not DCAing. Like, I just get out and I'm done. You know, now I'm going to take a step back and see what happens over the next couple of days about China tariffs and all the other bullshit. This is just an eval. Nah. I was just joking around with you, dude. I was just messing around with you. You're all good, man. They might pop it here end of day, though. They might pop it end of day, and then they're, you know. Yo, TJ, you're all set, dude. I'm emailing you back just so I have it on record. That's why I do the emails, by the way. It's so I have a record and I can just say, okay, I did it, I didn't do it, you know. Yo, this is how it was in April. April was like this, where you just got a fucking massive, just stupid, the stupidness. Yo, why can't I fucking... There we go. There we go. Now you know what I wanted to do. Thank you, market. Oh, it's filled. All right, cool. Yo, leaf blower. You know how far leaf blower man is? Bro, he's about 50 yards away from me, leaf blower man. And he's outside. Leaf blower man. Sounds like he's in my room. Just blowing that fucking thing all over my face. Just like, I'm like, no, stop. No warning at all. I got to figure out how I can filter that shit out. I have it on here to filter out, but it's just not working. I have echo cancellation, adjust mic volume. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'm guessing the same one you use, since you know what it sounds like. The gain on my mic, I don't know what that is. One day I gotta go on my other channel and just fucking mess around with it. I have no idea what I'm fucking in. Dude, is this a fucking ghost order? Oh, shit. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck was that? I don't even fucking know. Any other fucking accounts in there? Dude, I gotta see what the fuck that was. Oh my god, I just bought fucking three minis real fast. All right, hold on 1 second. I gotta see why I'm having like orders kind of hanging in the... Why do I have fucking orders just hanging around like a motherfucker? All right. I put orders in prior and I don't know. I don't know what just fucking happened. Dude, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck happened. I made money and I'm out. That's all I see. That's all I see is I made money and I'm out. I'll be honest with you. I put in a lot of orders and I probably should have just fucking canceled all on everything. I don't even know. I got to make this. Oh, I only got $600 a drawdown. What am I going to do? This is an eval though. It's whatever, but I'd like to not blow it. Let's open up some ducks. Let's get the fucking stream going. Yo, did you see Apex websites down? I think too many people are trying to buy fucking evals. Did you see that shit? Oh, look at that. It got me out at the top, and now it's dumping. Get the fuck out of here. Yo, Apex. Yo, hold on one second. Apex everything? Bro, it's 80% off. You talking about wealth charts? Bald Eagle Trader? Yeah, that's wealth charts. I don't want any wealth charts accounts, to be honest with you. What up, BK? Yo, the blower and Amazon guy, the same dude. What up, G Trade? Are we going into a bear market now? I don't know what a bear market would be considered. Like I think you got to be down what, like 10% or something like that. We're not down 10%. You know, they're not going to consider this a bear market. But do I think that things are going to be bad? Yeah, probably. Dude, I wish Apex went to 90% off. I'd just be slamming them. Be slamming them like Onyx, man. Boom. Da-da-da. Slam. I wish I could play music on this thing. Oh, man. I think the Trump thing is going to get real nasty, Marie. And here's why. Yes, $85 activation. It's 80% off. $85 activation. Actually, here you go. Here's all the deals, just so everybody knows. There's a link to all the deals. I would not want to be holding a lot of equities right now, because you got to think Trump had this shit with China in April. It got real nasty, and then it kind of settled out. We ran a lot, right? And now nothing was actually solved from April, if you think about it, right? What was solved? Nothing was solved. Dude, there goes an Apex eval like that. Apex eval gone. Dude, that was fucking quick. Yeah, so it was just put on hold. So now what I think is going to end up happening is, I don't think we already went through the temporary thing. And now that it's not going to get solved, what different spot are we in than we were in April at this point, right? I think these markets get crushed. I think the markets get crushed. It's all going to determine how we go about things over the weekend and into next week. If it gets nasty between us and China, you're going to see not what you want to see. It's going to be bad for the markets. But honestly, it's good for the investor. Like, not me, but a lot of people, we made money on the way up. Now we're pulling our profits out. And, listen, if the markets dump 10, 15%, like I'll start re-adding. That's amazing. We've gone up so far without any pullbacks. Yeah, that's true. They set up some type of meeting. I mean, here's the weekly. If this was a minute chart, what would you think we would do? You'd probably say, okay, we're here, probably going to target down here, and then probably bounce in this range. Well, that's kind of the same thing that you'd be looking at now. So you're going to look, maybe we trade back down into this green area, 22,500. That's about 10% down from where we are right now. Give us a 10, 15% pullback. You got to remember, if this China thing was nasty. I mean, we went down from the high highs to the low lows. It's about 7,000 points. 7,000 points would bring us to 18,000. I don't think we're going to get that low, but it'd be fucking amazing if we got in this area. I don't think we will. I think we're going to end up somewhere around here. Unless they just turn around and say, everything's good. We're playing ball and the meeting's back on. And then, I have $600 drawdown in this eval. I'm going to have to take a shot. This is my last shot. My last opportunity for everything I ever wanted. I'm looking for a long. I'm looking for them to pump it out of here. Of course, it goes the other way. Don't follow this. I wanted to hold 24,700 in this like little flag and pump out. New all-time highs by next week. Yeah, if he meets with China and says, "Oh, everything's settled."
Order rejected.
The fuck? Dude, I have to shut this off. I don't know. I think my copy trader is fucking fucked. Oh my God. Hold on one second. Bro, my shit never ends. I'm doing 8,000 things here. Oh, what the fuck is going on here? Why am I having fucking errors? Why am I having fucking errors? Yo, what up? Whoa, what up, Tech? What up, Viv Trade? Yo, we're gonna get dumped on. Dumpy. I'm trying to decide what I want to do. Yo, later, Ethan. I'm trying to decide what I want to do here, to be completely honest with you. So this typically, I'm going to put together a shopping list of stocks that I want to buy. And that's what I'm going to be looking to add over the next 2 weeks. If we drop. Dude, I think this thing can let go, Sean. I think it can seriously let go. Yeah, all the way down. I mean, this, it's got to stay above 633. 633 is my level. He's looking for the wick from way back when. He's looking for the wick from like September. I would assume he's doing that, or he's doing the, instead of wicks, he's doing the actual candle base from, I don't really know, but I'm just taking a guess. I kind of want to take this. Oh, no. Just instead of saying like 24,516, like, just 516. We all know that we're in the 24,000 range. Only because of how crazy this shit is. I moved to break even because one of two things is going to happen. Either it's going to bounce with all these wicks right here and bounce, or we're just going to flush it right here. So I just don't want to lose money. So I'm at break even. If this turns red and goes lower, I'll move to the top of this candle. No harm. That's why I go to break. I have no problem going to break even. I'm watching this though. I do think we're going to end up going down. You're just getting lower highs. Look at where we're bouncing at. Just watch. Watching, waiting. Just remember, just bed shittage incoming. Yo, Sean, if this is legit, easily 23,300. Bro, the best part about it is, bro, I'm going to be completely out of this bitch and I'm just going to watch it. And I'm going to do the same thing I did last time. Although you might see me sweating towards the end when I'm when I'm fucking fully leveraged like 3x my fucking position all in. Bro, we really weren't talking about it, but in April, bro, I was full dogged, leveraged, and I went in my last bit at 16,500 at 10:30 p.m. while I was at my kitchen island. Yeah, it was crazy. My wife was like, "What are you doing?" And I'm like, "I'm going all in right now on everything." She's like, "Do you think that's smart?" I was like, "Yo, the bottom's got to be close." I was like, "It just feels it." And that night was literally the bottom of the NQ. I remember I bought Hood at like $30 at my kitchen island. I bought SoFi and I bought like three things pretty heavy that night. I'm going to give this another try, and my stop's going to be this wick. But I'm going to put together a shopping list, and we're going to see what's good. I would be worried about loading NVIDIA because I think the next play is going to be China. Already said that they're going to stop buying chips from NVIDIA, and I could see Trump saying you're not allowed to sell to China, which will also bring the market down because NVIDIA makes up a big portion of the NQ, and that will bring everything down too. You know, these are just storylines that you got to really think about. Yeah, this is now or never stock itch. Under 30, I think it was 35, 33, 38. It's done. We get under there, it's fucking over. We get back under the previous week low. What is that? 30, 33. We go back under previous week low. Dude, forget it. It's going to throw up. Baba also just had a crazy run. So you got to think tariffs. What does Baba do? They only sell, like, their big selling point is to the US. Yeah. I mean, I think this could get nasty really fucking quick. We just saw it in April. The playbook was in April, right? Everybody saw it. Man, I feel bad, Mike. That sucks, dude. This is a serious question. Like, what caused you to get wiped today? What was like the play? What were you doing that caused you to get wiped? And you know, I'm just kind of curious because I feel like if you talk it out, you know, like my personal, you know, I'm just being serious. Like my personal was like the news came out, the news was super shitty, right? We saw what happened in April when this news came out. You have to be going short. You should only be playing shorts, especially when the news first comes out. High volatility, you got to play like I was playing 2 micros. Normally I play a mini. I was playing 1/5 of the size. I, you know, you just got to have like oh my God, this kid's sharing his location with me. I feel like a chick. Yo, here's my location. I mean, you should always have a stop loss. No matter what, you should always have a stop loss on because you never fucking know what's happening, especially with Trump. You're one tweet away from getting wiped. I mean, Mike, listen, I'm always around if you have questions and whatnot. But you know, I personally always have a playbook for when shit like this happens. Like I took a loss today. I lost $3,000 in my personal account. But now I implement my playbook, which is sell fucking everything, man. I'm selling everything. And I want to sit and see what happens. Ah, jeez. That sucks, dude. What's up, scalper? All right, so I locked in $112, right? So I locked in 112, and now let's see what happens. What's up? I'm doing really well today. I'm gonna move to the top of this candle. So at the bare minimum, it's $200 I made, right? Boom. That's 1 out of 5. So that's 150. So what I mean, 200 and something dollars, I guess. Um, yeah, yeah, Mike. I mean, give it a try. I'm just saying, if I was going to trade my own capital, like if I was in your shoes, I would trade one micro, and just see how it goes. Because you can lose a lot more money trading your own money than props. You know, I just don't want to see you lose a big nut over, you know, it's a big nut. You can lose thousands and thousands. Man, Yo, MOC is going to be fucking wild. Yo, I'm just thinking, yo, if we're back on the MOC train, I feel like I should get an account, right? Oh, shit. Holy shit. Yo, do I get an MOC account? Yes or no? Just to see what happens. Probably not going to do shit. Damn, G Trade. You got to move your stop up. Ah, Mike. Yeah, so give it a try, man. Yo, we just fucking. Man, this shit's over. Better call somebody to clean this up. Holy shit. Do you see any pump today? I mean, I did because when we came down here, I said we got to get above last week's low, and we did, and that was the pump, and then it just didn't stay. You got to remember, guys, it's billions.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
What up, Adil? How low can we go? Dude, we can go down another 800 points easily. Easily. Well, here we are. Man, this thing's just fucking wiped out. Trying to adjust my chart here. Dude, this is about to give it up. This is about to fucking. Dude. This is about to be toodles. I think you're going to get an algo candle down, and then it's going to come right back up. You're going to get an algo candle down, and then you're going to come right back up. Oh. I got a couple bucks, I got 45. I got a couple dollars. I would love 20K graveyard. Bro, I get 20K. Man, this thing's gone. This thing's gone. Bro. You're buying down here? May the odds forever be in your favor. Here, and I'll give you the what is it? It goes like that, right? May the odds forever be in your favor. Isn't that how it goes? Bye-bye. Dude, this thing's just freaking. This is off to the races. Oh, shit. I think we're going to gap down like. Dude, I think we're going to gap down like at least 2%. Where are you going long? Dude, I don't like long at all, man. I said once we got below 633, this is done. I called that out. Done. I don't want to go long at all. You guys are talking, dude. You know how much further we have for this circuit breaker? More than double. They're trying. They're trying. Yo, I appreciate it, Mike. But Mike, listen. Dude, if you're not feeling it today, save them until Monday, dude. I don't want you to blow them. If you're not feeling good, if you're not feeling the price action, dude, it's 3:00 on Friday. Just chill out. You know, just chill out. There's no, you could start Monday off nice and fresh and say, hey, I have 3 accounts on Monday. You know, if you're not feeling it, yeah, we are. That previous week low, that's why I knew we were going to flush. That was my flush point. Just chill.
Order rejected.
I don't know what the fuck's going on here. Just chill out. It has to. Oh, it's changed. It changed. My bad. Here, I'll fix it. Honestly, I wouldn't even get one of those at 80% off. There, I just got rid of it. I wouldn't get one at 80% off, man. It's not. There's better deals out there than 80% off. Bro, no one's holding this shit into the weekend. You got to be wild to be holding this into the weekend. I mean, I get it. There definitely could be, a bunch of shorts taking profit. I mean, that would be a little short covering, but I don't think people are fucking buying. I don't know if I'd be a buyer at the end of the day. I would be a short. I would cover my shorts if I shorted this whole thing and I was up a ton. I'd probably cover some of it end of day. Damn. Oh, I'm resetting this fucking shit up. Oh. Bro, Aquaman futures? Get the fuck out of here. Bro, I would use Aquaman futures though before I use day traders. Dude, that's our first blown account in 2 months. That's pretty legit.
Order rejected.
Dude. Yo, so serious. Ninja's having some serious fucking issues with his volatility. What's trade day? Trade day is $69 all in. No activation fee. Here comes the bounce. Maybe. I think you're going to go one way or another pretty fucking hard at the end of the day. Yo, what the fuck was that? Oh my God. What's good for trade day? So they have consistency rules for the eval. It's 30%, but once you're funded, it's like take profit trader. There's no consistency rules. You could slap your nuts on the fucking mouse, hit the button, make 10 G's, and withdraw money from day one. So easy. So easy. But no, seriously. There's no rules. The consistency is 30%. And that's the only downfall. Other than that, the price is good all in. And once you're funded, you can do whatever you want. Come on, market. Market, don't go sideways, go side. Need cash now. Let's fucking go. No activation fee. Great deal. Getting me one of those next week. It's still this. Yeah. Yeah. Obviously, take profit trader is better because you could pass in basically 2 days. Take profit trader, you pass it, not pass, but like you could be done. You don't have to technically trade. It's trade day, Mike, but technically trade day, you're gonna have to trade for real for 4 days. Because you can only do 30%. So it's one day, 30%, another day, 30%, another day, 30%, and then you got to trade for real to get 10 more percent. Take profit trader, you could pass in 2 days and then just flip. Bro, have you ever seen Step Brothers where he drops his nuts on the drum set? Yeah, so I'm just throwing that out there. Just throwing it out there. Yo, TPT is 5 days, but you can pass in 2, and then you can just flip 1 micro the other 3 days. And sometimes they even pass you early, Tommy. I've been passed early where they just give you the account. Yeah, but you don't have to trade for 5 days. You're gonna have to trade for 4 days on take profit on trade day. I'm just telling you the difference. Like, I'm just giving you guys the difference. What's different? Yeah, I think. Yeah. Yeah, they have 50% consistency. Man, I wish I just went short. Honestly, I should have just went short. Once that news broke, I should have grabbed 1 mini and just went short with no stop in my TPT account and just said fuck it. And just said whatever happens, happens, because I'm already past the buffer, so it wouldn't have mattered. I'd be at like freaking, I'd be like at $8,000 right now. I always told myself I wanted to do that, and I just fucking flipped my mind. I mean, you could just see the price action. Look how we're just trending down. This isn't going. Bro, I mean, you might get a pop with some short covering. I'm not going to say you can't get a pop, but I mean, the thing looks like shit, right? If we drop here, I'm going to move my stop. I'm not an idiot. Like, I just moved my stop. Now it's a free trade. Like I'm okay with whatever happens here. It's free. I am worried. You got 600 right here. Are they gonna? Oh, kid. What sucks is I need to make $200 for this to count as a trading day, right? The trend's my friend, man. The trend's my friend. I love the trend, man. Come on. Just fucking dump it. Dump it. Dump it for daddy, baby. Dump it. Come on. Get under 600 and just let it go. Oh, man. I'm just moving my fucking stops down. I'm moving my stops down. Locking in them gains, baby. Take you to Gainesville. Oh, just fucking keep it going to the downside, man. I want no green candle. No green candles. None. None. Down. Need you to go down. The atomic wedgie. Come on, baby. Come on. I need to make $200 in this fucking account. I think I would hit $200 if we hit there. Come on. Dump it. Give me that big fucking red candle. Let's go. Let's go. Do it. Do it for daddy. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. I need the money. I need the money. I need it. I need it. Flash down. Flash down, baby. Amber Turd incoming. Ring it. Keep going. Keep it 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 going. Let's go. Fuck yes. Holy shit. Oh, bro, smash the fucking confetti. Just smash it. Smash the confetti. Tell your friends. Tell your friends. Tell grandma. Tell everybody. Boom. 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 Psh. Yo. That's how we do it. Yo. That's how we fucking do it, people. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Boom. Where's the confetti button? Bro, it's under the chat. See where it's the heart? Look, see, I'm smashing the confetti. See a little heart button? That's the confetti. Dude. Now I need to go to this account. Bro, I don't even think we're done. You guys, yo, next to the roast beef. Yo, hold on one second. I'm going to go fucking short, I think, again. I got a small fucking position here, but I just want to see if we keep dumping. I'm stopping out right up here. Hold on. I'll be right back. I just want to see if there's a fucking snack. Hold on one second. I'm freaking starving. I got a That's It bar. I got a That's It bar. All right, we're still here. Come on. Come on, market. I'm ready for round 2 already. Nah, they're going to stop me out. Bro, if this does not stop me out, we're going way lower. But it's probably going to come back up. Just remember, you got to keep your stops tight and let your winners run. Dude, this market has been amazing. Like, if you were watching before, like, I'll get stopped out. Like, sometimes 1, 2, 3 times. And then I make it all back plus more with the 1 win. I have no problem doing that. I have no problem getting stopped out with a tight stop and then still going after it again. You know, but the stupid thing would be to DCA, like just add. No, you get out of the position, let the thing do whatever it's going to do, wait until it sets back up, and then get back in. You know? Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Just give it to me. Come on. I don't like that it's not continuing down. I don't like that it's not continuing down. I'm out. I just got out. I don't like that it's not continuing. I'm just looking. Oh, I'm just looking. Oh, seeing what I'm seeing. I'm just looking. Come on. What are you using to watch order flow, Stock Itch? What up, Hardo? What are you using for order flow? Yo, Monday is a holiday? Get the fuck out of here. Is it really? More. Come on. Come on. Nah, no holiday. No holiday. I just locked in a little bit just because obviously I got chopped up a little bit before, right? So I locked in a little. Bit. Banks closed, market open. Usually, if that happens, the market's shit. I hope the market's not shit. Because that's usually the case with the banks. Banks closed, market open. It's Columbus Day. Bro, tell them I want to sail on the fucking markets. Come on, baby. You don't want to hold this over Columbus Day? Dump it, baby. Oh, motherfucker. Come on. Dump it. Oh, just give me that 40 points down. Let's go. Just do it. Oh, come on. We'll go get some tofu ice cream. Come on, I'll rub your feet. Come on. We'll go get those fake meatballs. I'll take you to that shit vegan spot you like. Just dump it one time for me. One time. Come on. No, don't do that. Don't do that. No soy ice cream for you. Come on. Let's do it. Dump it. Come on. You could bring your annoying, ugly ass sister. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, you want to dump it. Just dump it. We'll do that double date thing. Come on. Let's do it. Oh, yo, what up, Saban? Or Saban, my bad. Saban. Come on. Fucking unload it. I'm at break even now. I don't want break even though. I want profits. Did that just happen? They took my 3 contracts and then fucking. Am I gonna add 3 if fuck it. I'll add 3 if this dumps. Man, I'll add even more. I want to make bank, bro. I want to drive a Range Rover and get ass. Come on. Who the fuck is buying this anyways? Dump it. 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 Just give me the one big fucking candle down. Oh, fuck yes. Right? How good did that feel, market? How good did that feel? Just keep it rolling. I'm trying. I'm trying, man. Now you got to remember, I got stopped out a bunch of times, but now look at this. Look at this. I made all my money back plus a lot more. You get. Oh, this is going to tag. This is going to tag 500. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like, yeah, I got stopped out for like little, you know what I'm saying? And then I make it all back plus more. Net, I'm up, right? You got to let your winners run. If you're just fucking, you know what I'm saying? You know, that last 3-piece got, you know, I'm trying to find something that has a pretty good fucking spread here. I'm just trying to find. Damn, the spreads are fucking stupid on these. Oh, that's what I'm going to buy. Fuck yes. There we go. I was just looking at something on my fucking computer. Oh my God. All right. How's my day going? Dude, we crushed it on the stream all day. Cove, earlier when it came up and tagged you out for 3 cons, you added them back later. Was that just the market screen time experience? Yeah, well, once you're talking about like up here. So I got stopped out right here, right? I wanted to see it stay under this 9. When I got stopped out, I was looking for it to come up to maybe this green line or this blue line. So I didn't want to hold for, 12 or possibly 20 points negative. So I got stopped out and I waited for the structure to get bearish again. And sure enough, we got back under the 9. And then you could see how we weren't going to hold anymore. And that's when I got in. And I got in with more contracts. So instead of, 6 contracts, I got in with 9 contracts. So not only did I make more, but like more points, I bought extra contracts. Yeah, I had a great day for keeps. Yo, Sean, you were right. 516. Austin 316. Dude, that's a solid call out. Kid Poker, what happened? Dude, Kid Poker, man. Yo, 5% is nothing. All 4 PAs are gone? Dude, that sucks, man. Honestly, I mean, guys, like, yo, like, I'm just being honest. Like, look at the last time this same news came out, this same fucking news that came out today came out over here, right? We had the same news. China tariffs, right? China tariffs. Bro, the same news is coming out now. There's no reason to go play. You could play a short-term bounce for like a couple points and whatnot. The trend is going to be down. It's probably going to be down all week next week. You have to watch the news and see what Trump and fucking Xi Jinping, man, is fucking Jinping or Xi Ping, whatever they're doing. Xi Jinping and Trump have to meet. If they don't meet and they just go back and forth with this fucking tariff shit, this is going to be the reality of our markets. You're going to go all the way fucking down. All down. I mean, the playbook that happened here is written for this move. This was the playbook. This drew out the plays and what you should be doing. And this is the same shit. Now, obviously, they talk and things can turn, but until they talk, we're going to be bearish as fuck. Super bearish. Dude, that sucks, man. It does. Yo, the drift's been going since open, bro. But yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to be mean to anybody or anything, but like, I'm just saying this because of maybe time in the seat. Like, we're getting the same exact shit that happened last time. There's nothing new. You know, there's nothing new that's happening. You know, it's going to be China tariff shit for the next probably all weekend. You said Trump is talking after hours. Bro, if he doesn't say anything positive and he's just like, yo, we're just going to throw tariffs on, I mean, you've seen what happens. Kid Poker, man, I feel bad for you. I'd gladly shoot the shit with you and try to help you out. You know, you want to come in the Discord, hang out and talk, you know. I think you should get an indicator. What is it? Change of state and direction. What is that? CSID. You should get one of those indicators. And once it goes against you, once it breaks, you should just be out. Right? What is it? CSID, right? I know what it means. CISD, change in state of delivery. Yeah. So like once it's broke, you should get out, especially on the higher time frames. Yeah. I mean, this thing is fucking duty. Bro, I should have just fucking held. All right. Real facts. I need 50 something dollars for this to count as a trading day. So, what do I do? Do I go long after I just had this whole fucking speech about not going long? I mean, if they bounce it, bro, I don't even think they're going to bounce it. Bro, you would take MOC like a fucking champ? I am. Let's see. Oh, I just clicked the mouse button twice by mistake. I didn't mean to do that. I'm out. I got it. I got my $50. I think MOC is going to have a crazy move, dude. I think MOC is going to be crazy. Yo, last account. Another boring day. This fucking day was awesome. Bro, today was awesome. Dude, this is. All right, I got out half for break even. I'm going to see what happens. I'm just going to see what happens. If it holds 500 or not. Dude, I wish every day was like this. Shit. You guys can all come on my yacht if every day was like this. We could be yacht friends. Last time this is going to get opened, and then that's it. Only because I need four fucking times. I mean, this could easily, not easily, but so if I was doing normal trading hours, if this was a normal day, this would be the bottom for me. Just an FYI. But there's obviously the news and all the other bullshit, but this is the bottom. This is what I look for in the bottom. Is it going to be the bottom? Who the fuck knows? I need a green candle that gets over 519. Come on, get over 519. For the boys! For the fucking boys. Yo. Bro. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Yo, I'm going to hold this thing. Yo. I need $200 for this to count as a day. I think right there I'm in for 200. I got to be in for at least $200 right there, right? Ooh. Yo. What is this? Yo, this is me calling the fucking bottom. That's what this is, Billy. Yeah! Yo. Yo, I just got this market both ways, baby. We just Eiffel Towered it. Boom. Boom. Yo. Yo. We did it.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
So just so you guys know, once I get over 3,000, which is $250 away right here, these are over the buffer. I can start taking payouts in these accounts. So both of these accounts could get payouts next week. This one's like 1,000 away from the buffer for a payout. I got my TPT over for another payout today. Payout City. Yo. What is the max in Take Profit Trader? Once if you hit $10,000 in a pro account, they'll close you out to push you pro plus, and then after you're pro plus, it's whatever you get, you get. Hold on one second. I see red label 3X. But I guess even though it's a red, it's a long. Is that correct? I am not exactly. Oh, the red X is a sell. So, like, if I put my order in here to buy, I'm going to buy here, and this is my sell. And this is my stop loss. Boom, Matt. What up, Apollo? Yo, this is a fucking spot to be at. Jeez, dude. Today has been fucking cash. Fucking cash. Cash money. Dude. Yo, these are my freaking Fideas. These are my Fideas funded accounts. That's how my funded accounts in Fideas were today. 450, 450, 450, 450, 950. I don't know which way. I actually don't have an account for. I don't even have an account for this. Also, the candle's so big, Maria. I'm not doing it. You would have to do it differently. I guess you do it mid candle. I'm curious what happens here. Actually, holy shit! Somebody bounced. Somebody made money. So I blew some evals, but look at all my funded accounts. This is my Apex account. These are all funded accounts. All my fundeds are up, but this account. All the fundies are up. Bro, MOC, yeah, MOC, if you played it right, yeah, you would have gotten a fuck ton of money. Yeah. Yep. These aren't even all my accounts, but there's a lot of fucking green going around. Oh, there's a lot of fucking green going around. Now what? Now I bask in what a fucking day this was. I sit here and I rest. I rest and I think about how I fucking crushed it today. And I hope you guys did too, because the majority of it was on the stream. I mean, the play was short all day. The only time I liked it long was when we swept last week's low, which was over here, and we came back above it. I like that long. And then I played this long, obviously. Oh, man, my nose is itchy from the heat. Bro. Oh, man. Dude. So I'm just telling you, if you invest, now's the time to take out your shopping list, because this is the pullback that everybody wanted. We're going to be pulling back. We might pull back 10% from here. This is the pullback everybody wanted. Damn, I got out at the top, baby. Look, you got to see, like, we had a nice little inversion here. And, you know, one of my TPs is literally right here. We hit it, and I'm out. I was out. Peace. Look at that. Holy shit. Hey, man. IHAM. What's up? Dude. Banger day, man. Banger day. I hope everyone in here won. That's all you needed, Keith, was the catalyst to get this going, and now we got it. That's it. This is what everybody wanted. Dude, I want this, man. I'm fucking cash heavy. You just play it to the downside. Holy shit. Yo, break even. Yo, you weren't a subscriber? Yo, how are you not a subscriber, man? How is that possible? You're holding out. Oh, shit. Will I go long? No. I am up a fuck ton of money today. I'm not ruining it right now. I just hit one last time. All these accounts count for a day. All my other accounts are up. I can get payouts. I'm hoping to get payouts in these accounts next week. Next week should be a freaking payout week. I got another TPT payout coming my way. I should have fucking cranked that thing today, to be honest with you. I just didn't. Yo, we're gonna run the Ducks pretty much at close. I have to go pick up my friend from. I got to go pick up my friend from. You know what? You know what? I'll be honest with you. We're probably just going to run the numbers game. He's been texting me. I need to go pick him up at 4:15, and he's going to be at the train station. So we might just run numbers here at the end of the day, and then I'll run the accounts to see what you won. That's even a better idea. I don't have that much time. I apologize. I got to go pick up my friend. He's in from Florida, and he's taking the train. So we're going to do random numbers right at 4 o'clock. I actually have the number already. Yeah. Yo, I mean, people are not wanting to hold, man. I mean, I think we're going to be in for another big down day on Monday. I think you're going to wake up and we're going to be down 2% or something at least on Monday. A clue? It's a number. 1 through 100. You can guess as many times as you want. No, they won't. You just have to go over $500. Yo, watch them bounce it right here. Watch them bounce it right here only because we're at a whole number. Maybe we go up to 22 here. Watch. We're probably up to 22 or something. All right, let me get this shit up. Guys, I mean, we crushed it today. Hopefully you made money. I thought today was fucking awesome. If anybody has questions about today, why I was super short, or any questions how I traded it or anything, ask in the Discord. It's free. I'll get you the link to the Discord. Here's a link. Any prop firm deals. Here's the link to the here's a link to our Discord. It's free. I'm gonna put it in the chat. Here's a link to the Discord. Yo, it didn't even start yet, so you can't even win. Just throwing it out there. The problem is now when you go to actually play, YouTube's going to be like, they're going to gray you out. Just letting you know. All right. Yo, have a great weekend. You ready? All right. I'm going to put in the chat, start now. Ready, set, go. Holy shit. Yo, yo, somebody won it. Somebody won it. Somebody won it. It was 97. It was 97. It was Facile. 97. By the way, anybody got questions about anything? Questions, comments? I don't know. Fucking anything? $40. Yo, I knew they were gonna bounce it. It felt like a bounce. Facile, we see what you won right now. You can win anything. Including a whammy. Quack, quack, dude. Dude, I gotta go. I do have to go. Boom. I have to fucking go. I'm so nah. Take me 20 minutes to get there, and he's gonna be here in 10 minutes. Guys, I appreciate everybody on the stream. We crushed it today, and hopefully hit the subscribe button. I'll see you on Monday, or if you have any questions, come in the Discord. The link I posted in the chat. It's also in the description of this video. I did the ducks for 2 seconds, John. I got to go get my friend. He's coming in from the train station. My bad. It's my fault. I'll make it up to you guys somehow on Monday. It's you, Fassel. Yep. Shoot me an email. I put my email in the chat. Fassel1. I put my email in the chat already. I got to run, though. John, have a good weekend, man. Peace!